Bharatiya Janata Party has slammed the TMC for the delayed action. Remember, now Sheikh Shahjahan has been arrested after he was on the run for almost 56 days. Shukanta Majumdar says Sheikh Shahjahan arrested under pressure, the pressure that was mounted by the Bharatiya Janata Party, according to him. Listen in.
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की लगातार आंदोलन की वजह से ये सरकार बाध्य हुई शेख शाहजहां को गिरफ्तार करने के लिए। पहले से तो ये सरकार डिनायल मोड में था, एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहा था कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है। तो हमने पहले से ही बोला था, मैंने पहले से ही बोला था कि सरकार को बाध्य करेंगे, घुटने पे ले आएंगे कि शेख शाहजहां को गिरफ्तार करने के लिए ये बाध्य हो जाएगी। आज हमारी आंदोलन की वजह से, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आंदोलन की वजह से और संदेश खाली की माता बहनों की आंदोलन की वजह से सरकार बाध्य हुई है, ममता बनर्जी बाध्य हुई है शेख शाहजहां को गिरफ्तार करने के लिए।
So you heard BJP, you heard the leader of BJP Sukanta Majumdar. Adrija, Sukanta Majumdar कह रहे हैं कि हमने जो प्रोटेस्ट किया, एजिटेशन किया, उसकी वजह से प्रेशर आया टीएमसी पर और गिरफ्तारी हुई है। So after 56 days he's been arrested and Shantanu Sen is responding.
मिनिस्टर बहुत पहले कह चुकी है कि जो आम आदमी के खिलाफ कुछ करेगा उसको कोई रिहा नहीं किया जाएगा। और हमारा नेशनल जनरल सेक्रेटरी 3 दिन पहले ये कहा था कि अगर कोर्ट का स्टे ऑर्डर नहीं रहता तो शाहजहां को बहुत पहले अरेस्ट कर लिया होता। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे जब कोर्ट स्टे ऑर्डर को रिमूव कर दिया, हमारा नेशनल जनरल सेक्रेटरी बोला था 7 दिन के अंदर शेख शाहजहां अरेस्ट हो जाएगा। अब देखिए 7 दिन नहीं, 3 से 4 दिन के अंदर शेख शाहजहां को अरेस्ट कर दिया गया। और ये पुलिस ने सबूत किया है कि ये कटिंग अक्रॉस द पार्टी लाइन ये इंडिपेंडेंटली और कॉम्पिटेंटली काम करता है। और बीजेपी रूल स्टेट में अब जाके देखिए, वहाँ पर अगर कोई एक्यूज्ड है, वो बीजेपी का लीडर है, वो सर का ताज बन के बीजेपी के साथ घूमता है। ये सबूत होता है तृणमूल कांग्रेस कितना कॉम्पिटेंटली, कितना प्रोएक्टिवली, कितना प्रो पीपल वे में काम करता है।
Adrija continues to be with us on the broadcast. Adrija, Bharatiya Janata Party is slamming TMC. They're also alleging that the action is delayed. It has been done after 56 days. But the TMC, on the other hand, says that we've arrested him within 72 hours because it was just 72 hours back that the Calcutta High Court said there's no restriction on arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan.
Well, you know, very interestingly, politically, the entire matter is being played out because on one hand, the BJP is saying that, you know, their agitation, their protests, the fact that they have been relentlessly, you know, trying to reach Sandesh Khali, taking up the issue, talking about the issue, that
All right.
has amounted to
Adrija, stay on with us. We're joined by Mr. Rahul Sinha of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Rahul Sinha जी, टीएमसी कह रही है कि हमने तो 72 घंटों के भीतर अरेस्ट कर लिया। कैलकाटा हाईकोर्ट ने जैसे ही हमारे हाथ खोले, the moment the Calcutta High Court said there's no restriction, that's when Abhishek Banerjee, remember in the statement, said कि हमारे हाथ Calcutta High Court ने बांधे हुए हैं. The moment the Calcutta High Court said there's no restriction, the TMC came out with a statement कि हम 7 दिनों के भीतर अब गिरफ्तारी कर लेंगे। अलग अलग नेता टीएमसी के बयान दे रहे थे कि हम तो कैलकाटा हाईकोर्ट की वजह से रुके हुए थे। और जैसे ही गिरफ्तारी हुई है, टीएमसी एक बार फिर ये कहने की कोशिश कर रही है कि 72 घंटों के अंदर हमने अरेस्ट कर लिया। आई थिंक वी लॉस्ट दैट लाइन विद राहुल सिन्हा, बट अद्रिजा कंटिन्यूज। ओके राहुल सिन्हा जी, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, टीएमसी कह रही है हमने 72 घंटों के अंदर अरेस्ट कर लिया है।
तृणमूल का स्टोर में चोरी का माल था, जब देखा और कोई फेस सेविंग का रास्ता नहीं है तो चोरी का माल उनका सिंदूक से निकाल के दे दिया। बात तो यही हुआ। जो इसमें कोई तृणमूल का कोई बहादुरी नहीं है, उनका अपना घर में छुपा था शाहजहां। और इसीलिए मैं समझता हूं जो शेख शाहजहां जो अन्याय किया और उसको छुपा के तृणमूल और भी अन्याय किया, और अभी कोई चारा नहीं है, रास्ता नहीं है, इसीलिए शेख शाहजहां को इन लोगों ने ओपन कर दिया। और मैं समझता हूं अभी उनको तो पोशीघाट कोर्ट में हाजिर करना है और उसके बाद उनको ईडी भी रिमांड में लेंगे और फिर जो पाप किया उसका साजा हो, ये पूरा देश का और बंगाल का जनता चाहते हैं।
जी राहुल सिन्हा जी, फिलहाल तो जो ईडी ने एफआईआर दर्ज की थी 5 जनवरी को जो अटैक हुआ था, उसके बाद उस पर यह गिरफ्तारी हुई है। सो भारतीय जनता पार्टी दे आर आल्सो स्लैमिंग द टीएमसी नॉट जस्ट फॉर डिलेड एक्शन बट यू नो एलिगेशंस बीइंग लेवल्ड कि टीएमसी ने अब तक छुपा करके रखा था, बचा करके रखा था, और जब प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है तो ऑफिशियल गिरफ्तारी दिखा दी. Adrija is still with us on the broadcast. Yes, Adrija.
Well, yes, you see the BJP continuously claiming that their relentless effort and protest have led to the amount of pressure on the government, and that has actually led to this entire arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan. But of course, the TMC, very clearly stating that earlier the Calcutta High Court had stayed the entire investigation, and therefore the hands of the state police was tied, and therefore the state police was not being able to arrest Sheikh Shahjahan. We have seen Abhishek Banerjee, the TMC MP, have also come out and made the similar statement that the Calcutta High Court has stayed the entire investigation in the matter, and therefore this is the reason the hands are being tied. But once on Monday, Calcutta High Court has cleared and have given clarification that there is no restriction regarding the arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan. Not only that, yesterday we have seen Calcutta High Court mentioning that not only the West Bengal police but the ED and CBI can also, any agency can arrest Shahjahan Sheikh. And right after the first day, when Calcutta High Court had clarified its order, it's given clarification without any restriction, that there is no restriction in his arrest, we have seen the TMC coming out and saying that they are very hopeful that within the next 7 days Shahjahan Sheikh will be arrested. And we see it is not even 7 days, it has been 72 hours since then. It has been just 3 days since then, and Shahjahan Sheikh is already arrested. But of course, this is a very hopeful step, because 56 days later, Shahjahan Sheikh finally being arrested by the West Bengal police.
All right, stay on with us, Adrija. We're getting some breaking inputs now. Ever since the arrest, TMC leaders responding, saying arrest has been made within 72 hours. And this has happened after the Calcutta High Court clarified that there's no restriction. The police was restrained by the High Court order, says Kunal Ghosh. Listen in.
Sheikh Shahjahan has been arrested. We welcome the steps of state police. You see, our leader Abhishek Banerjee earlier pointed out that due to some parts of order from Honorable High Court, state police has been restrained from taking any action. And after Abhishek Banerjee pointed out the problem, the Honorable High Court, they removed the restrictions and police became free. We had full trust and faith upon our police and administration. We said that within a few days you can see the result, and today Shahjahan has been arrested. Now, what about CBI and ED? FIR named in Naroda case, CBI FIR named Shubhendu Adhikari, he has to be arrested. Mithun Chakraborty, ED is moving with Alchemist Cheat Fund.
All right, we're also joined by Sukanta Majumdar. Sukanta Majumdar, please respond to what the TMC is saying. They are claiming the arrest has been made in less than 72 hours after the High Court made this clarification that there's no restriction on arrest of Shahjahan Sheikh. And what about those in the Bharatiya Janata Party who face allegations of corruption? When will you act?
Let's see, these are mainly the excuse that TMC is making. From the beginning, TMC, they are in the denial mode that this kind of atrocities happen. And from the beginning, they are trying to save Sheikh Shahjahan, because Sheikh Shahjahan, like people, they always help Mamata Banerjee to win the election, and then Mamata Banerjee gives them the lease of a area, certain area, where they can run their jamindari, whatever they want, they can do there. They can loot the land, they can rape the woman, they can murder others. And that's why TMC is always trying to save the Sheikh Shahjahan like people. And this time also, light section has been given against the Sheikh Shahjahan. No section of rape, molestation. Still now, whatever I am getting the information, these kind of sections not have been attached by the police. So it is. I won't be surprised if the Sheikh Shahjahan would get transferred to the Woodburn ward of the PG hospital. So
all right.
There he will get the special treatment from the police as well as the state government.
Okay. All right, Ms. Majumdar, thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast with your